Hello everyone, welcome to my channel as we continue walking in Paris, going to Eiffel Tower. So this is the place and we are near to the Eiffel Tower. So this is the Eiffel Tower at last. We are here now. As you can see, this is in other direction.
Actually, it's also higher.
So you cannot see the full view. So the Eiffel Tower is now closed. They put pins now. When I was here before in 2005, there is no pins. So this is the entrance. If you go there inside.
Yeah, because you cannot enter there
So
without
they have to check you like in the airport. Your things.
Corona check.
So this is Eiffel Tower. I was here before 2005. That
I don't know
was
because
long
this is
ago.
the famous.
It's now
So where they doing
almost
it?
16
All up
years
there
this
or there?
year.
We go upstairs.
So as you can see, it is
Yeah,
all
really?
yeah, we go
with
also in
fins.
the
You
second floor.
cannot
We watch, and then we
access
couldn't,
right away.
not
Go
the-
inside.
not the first
There
floor,
is a
this one.
fence
We
of
cannot
it,
be there.
and a lot of people
Yeah,
are
then you can see the whole
here
Paris.
because this is one of the tourist attractions. So we are entering. So as you can see, we are in line. And it's not only one, it's like in the airport that they will check you. There is a machine, and if you bring something like sharp object, it is not allowed to enter there. So they are very strict. I think maybe something happened before. Because before it's not like this, so we have to wait. It's like in the airport that they have to inspect you. There is a scanner. And there is also a guard. They only limit people to come there inside because there's a lot of people inside, and they limit the people. You have to wear masks. They inspect if you are vaccinated. You cannot enter without vaccination. You have to show your app, and everything is under control. This is not the only entrance. In the other side, there is also an entrance. We are now inside. This is the price. You can also walk and you can also ride in the elevator. So you can also choose the first floor, the second floor, and to the third floor. And the price is there. But we choose the elevator. A lot of changes now in the Eiffel Tower as I am here before, but that was long ago. So it is like this. They changed everything. They put something,
Before it's very nice.
and there is a lot of trees. Before it's not like this.
It's more friendly.
So we are now entering. This is Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is very big. So we go inside. I'll show you, and as you can see, a lot of people are inside. And also they renovate the Eiffel Tower. But even though they renovate the Eiffel Tower, still a lot of people are inside. So everything who are here are all vaccinated. You are not allowed to enter inside if you are not vaccinated because you have to show your app. So they renovate the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, now a lot of people. I think if no COVID-19, I think a lot of people are here. So many people now. Because they are coming in and coming out. So, ubani ko ninyo, I'll show the place of Eiffel Tower. This is the famous and the attraction here, very famous here in Paris, the Eiffel Tower. Before, I only see it in the TV.
This is the cash or
And I never
also
think
there?
that I can come here. So,
What do you want, my love? We eat
the
first?
restaurant, you have to pay
Or
there.
we eat
You have
upstairs?
to do in line if you want to go upstairs in the Eiffel Tower. So you have to pay. So we have to select either we walk or in the elevator. But we have to fall in line because there's so many people who want to pay.
Walking, before we don't have walking.
So we just walk.
Because you choose.
So it's good because it is proper. They have a way, the entrance where you can go.
My love, where is the elevator?
A lot of people now are here in the Eiffel Tower. The restaurant. So this is the area where you want to be, and also in the other side also. So we go there because I want also to go to the Eiffel Tower. So we are now entering. So it is really proper organized because there are a row. So this is the area where you can buy the ticket, where you pay your ticket. And this is the elevator. So padulong na mi sa elevator. Mao ni siya among pagkian. Limited lang ha ang ilang ipasulod. Tungod ni siya sa COVID-19, limited lang ang makasulod. Then dili pwede nga maghasultan na. So they really control. Siguro da ka nakatao sa taas. So pasaka nami, kay pasulod nami sa elevator. So na-enjoy ka kwartya. So muna ni. So
You have something there?
mas mayo nga.
You have something there?
Ninyo. Idea.
Oh.
It's not more. Napod pasaka sa taas. Pasaka kami sa taas. Napoy para sa hagdan lang kamo. Again. Sakay sa elevator. But I think I don't know. Wala ko nakasuway. Kaya ako siguro. Taas ba yung habo ba yung Eiffel Tower? So, mao ni siyang elevator na nani, nabulat mi sa elevator ng Apo. So, it's nice also to take a video as a sort of remembrance because wala pag kinisulat sa nagka-video ko yan. So, nasunod mi sa elevator, mao ni siya ang elevator. Masaka naman sa taas. So, ubani ko ninyo para makakita po mo sa Eiffel Tower because tinuod lang sa TV ko lang nakita sa una. So, mo ni sila naapod sila ka-operate, babay ang ka-operate. So, limited lang ha ang mga tao nga makasulod sa elevator. Dili maghasok. So far ang elevator dako. So kulat ni kay naaman na sila minutes. So siya pasaka na sa taas. So
On reste là et ça ouvert en descendant.
So, open. So, mauni siya. So, kung kinsay mo gawas diri mo gawas. So, nakuha siya ang Eiffel Tower. So, kasama
sommes au 12e étage, s'il vous plaît, tout le monde descend ici. Everybody get up here. You can change the lift to go to the top floor. Il faut chercher l'ascenseur pour monter au 3e étage.
And then
Yeah. Pour le sommet en fait. Ouais.
mauni siya ang Eiffel Tower sa second floor. So,
So my love, we can see it here first. Hi! Oh. Yes, for so long. For so long, I've never been here. No, second floor.
mauni siya ang Paris. So hindi mo na madala og lakaw lang.
Grabe, may
Hindi mo siya
labo.
madala
Nice
og
kayo.
lakaw, baklay, kay grabe kalukag ang Paris.
Grabe kayo, look kayo, may
I
labo.
think the population is 2 million people in Paris. So it's big. So it is overlooking. We are now in second floor in this area. And we also go there, in that area. We walk there after
Why man we never been there in the other side?
Now I will show
we go there first.
my experience in the Eiffel Tower, the first time that I make a video, because in my first year in 2005, I was not able to take a video. So this is the village somewhere. As you can see, so as you can see, a lot of people here. They are in full in line going upstairs. So a lot of people here inside the Eiffel Tower in the top children also, because parents, they bring their children to come here. This is in other countries, part of Europe. So in this other side, this is Paris. You can see the buildings, big buildings. Paris is very big, as you can see. So
Where is there, may labo?
we walk there.
Grabe kaluak mo.
You can finish walking. Mauni siya ang Paris. So it's
There
nice
is
to
the water here
to
na.
experience this because it's not all the
Oh
time
yeah,
that
the
you
river on
come
the other
here.
side.
Me, I've been here 2 times. This is my second time coming. And it is summer, so it's nice because the time when I am here, it's winter time, it's cold. It's also few people because of
Hala, my love, we walk there, oh.
So not so much
There,
people
oh.
coming.
Grabe no.
In the winter time. Maybe the other countries.
If we walk
But this
along the
when
river,
it is summer
then
here, a
we
lot
won't go
of
so far.
people in Europe coming
But the
here.
sense is there, there.
France.
Yeah, oh.
France.
There.
Because we go there.
In
Yeah.
Eiffel Tower, bringing their children, family, on holiday. So you can also do a telescope, but you have to put coins. But I never tried.
Opera.
I think.
I don't know.
So Paris is big.
Church, Basilica.
Church Basili. Hmm? Here is more nicer because it's near.
Then drop your phone.
Yeah, of course.
Eh?
Very expensive kaya.
Ah, it's a shoot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, even though